Greetings and welcome. Subscribe the channel Thermal Engineering for video sessions. In this session, you will be able to explain modes of mass transfer. Modes of mass transfer means the process by which mass transfer take place. The process of mass transfer can be classified into major three categories: mass transfer by diffusion, mass transfer by convection, and mass transfer by change of phase. In case of mass transfer by diffusion, it is also called as molecular diffusion. Diffusive mass transfer is the transport of one mass component from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration. In this image we see, here is the left side region where the carbon dioxide is present with 70% concentration. On the right side portion of the tank, the present carbon dioxide is with 10% concentration. Because of concentration difference, here mass transfer take place from higher concentration region to lower concentration region, means left to right. Some examples of mass transfer by diffusion are mixing of nitrogen and oxygen. In this case, oxygen and nitrogen both are in a gaseous form. When are mixed with each other, here mass transfer take place among these two gases. That's why it is a gas-gas type interaction mode. In case of dissolution of sugar in a cup of tea, here as sugar in a solid form is added to tea in a cup that is in a liquid form, it is solid liquid interaction type mode of mass transfer. It is also same way dissolution of salt in a water. When a petrol is poured in a tank of a car, some portion of petrol get evaporated to the air. So here in this case, liquid, that is a petrol, that is getting evaporated, means adding to the air in a gas form. That's why here is a liquid gas interaction take place. In case of evaporation of water from moist cloth while drying, in this case moisture in the cloth is getting evaporated by the heat in the air. Thus this moisture is added to the air in a gas form. So this is liquid gas interaction. In this type of mode, that is mass transfer by convection, the mass transfer between the surface and a moving fluid is referred as a convective mass transfer. Means in this case convection take place. It may also take place between two immiscible moving fluids. Examples of this mode are evaporation of water from moist cloth by using a fan. Means in this case, when the air is forced over the wet cloth, then moisture in the cloth is getting evaporated and adding to the air. So here is a liquid gas interaction take place. In case of desert cooler, when the warm air is passing over this wetted pad, then here this warm air comes in contact with the water. So by the heat interaction, this water is getting evaporated and this vapor is adding to the air. Further, this heat in the air is taken by water, thus air is getting cooled. So here outside we get cooled air. So in this case liquid gas interaction take place. third mode of mass transfer is a mass transfer by change of phase. The mass transfer by change of phase of a fluid occurs by combination of convection and diffusion mass transfer. Means in this case simultaneous heat and mass transfer occurs. For example, when the water is boiled, then in this case heat is added to the water, and water molecules when are releasing and adding to the air, then along with this molecule part of heat is also added to the air. So that's why here in this case mass transfer of water molecules take place to the air, and heat transfer from the molecules to the air take place, that is by convection mode. So this is a liquid gas interaction type mode. In case of the mass transfer of hot flue gases by natural convection in chimney and then its diffusion into atmospheric air, in this case when the flue gases are released to the atmospheric air, here heat from the flue gas is transferred to the air by the convection mode, and flue molecules are transferred to the air molecules. So that's why this is a mass transfer. So this is gas-gas interaction mode type mass transfer. So at the end of this session you can explain modes of mass transfer. Subscribe the channel for further video sessions. Thank you.